What's up, my people? It's your boy April. So in my last video I said we are going to create a whole beat just using Morphe. See, I should say this to myself: if I can't sell these stock plugins, these stock sounds, there is no way I'll be able to sell. No matter how much I purchase those high quality sound, there is no way I'll be able to sell them. I'm not saying this is the true fact or this a rule or principle, but it's just my own, the rule I set by myself and for me. I don't see others can't use it, but just by myself for me, that if I'm not able to sell this sound, I won't be able to sell this high quality sound. It's just the way of keep pushing myself forward without letting what I don't have be in control. So don't let's waste time, let's just get into the video. So where should we start? Start from muffin. Let's see what we can do with muffin. There's our muffin. Okay, let's start from keyboard. We're going to start from chord, so let's see what we can do. Keyboard. Wow, wow, sounding so nice. Okay, let's choose this KBD dynamic suitcase. So now let's create our chord progression. So yes, I think this is sounding so nice. So have our chord. You see, muffin really have very good sounds. So let's just listen to this and let's see. Maybe we can layer it. Okay, let's layer it. Let's check what we can layer it with. Okay, let's try this and see. Guys, trust me. Muffin. Oh. I'm just speechless. Honestly, I'm just speechless. Guys, Muffin have very good sounds. I swear. Wow. Okay, let's layer it with pad from Muffin again. You know what we are doing today. What we'll be doing today. Every single sound we'll be choosing is from Muffin. So pads. Let's see. There's this particular pad that I used to use in Muffin. Where is it? Is it this? I think this is. Let's copy and paste this again. So let's try this higher octave and let's see. Wow, sounding amazing, right? Yeah, I know. Sounding amazing. Trust oh my god. God, I'm just so speechless, honestly. I think you are now believing that you can do something, you can create magic from these stock plugins. So What should we check again from Murphy? From Muffin? Should we? Okay, bass, bass. I think I'll be. Should we try this? Okay, let's try this. Let's check this bass and let's see. Okay. Let's just listen. So now let's create some good sounding melody from our chord. Let's see again. Morphine. Guys, trust me, with a good arrangement, this is a whole bit already. This is a jam already. With a good arrangement, trust me, this is a whole bit. But we still have to complete this. Let's see if we can see drum loop to add. Or should we add one more melody first? Okay, let's just add one simple melody. Last one, I promise, last one. So, what should we add, guys? Let's add string. Yeah, string. So guys, now we have this drum loop. So I'll be using the loop step. channel. Let's do this. Wow. So guys, now I'm done with the arrangements. Let's listen to what we have created using just MOPHINE. So guys, now I hope you have seen the power of what you have in your control. You have seen the power of this, of just one of these stock plugins. Trust me, we still have more of them. We have Purity, we have Gem, we have more of them. Trust me. If you like this kind of content, let me know in the comment section. Let me know the next plugin we are going to talk about and make a whole vibe. So that's just all for now. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. I love you all.